The M1004 error code on a Dell laptop indicates an overheating issue, which causes the computer to shut down in order to prevent further damage. This problem can be frustrating and may take some time to troubleshoot. Some common causes of this error code include outdated drivers and BIOS, a faulty heatsink, and debris buildup in the fans and vents. The computer's cooling systems rely on drivers for optimization, so if these drivers are outdated, the computer may not be able to dissipate heat efficiently. A faulty heatsink can also cause this issue, as the thermal paste between the heatsink and CPU may dry up, preventing the heatsink from drawing heat away from these components. Additionally, dust and debris can clog up the laptop's vents and fans if they are not cleaned out regularly, causing the computer to overheat. To fix the M1004 error code, several solutions can be applied. Updating the drivers and BIOS is a good place to start. This can be done by shutting down the computer, removing the RAM, and checking for updates on the Dell website. If updates are available, they can be downloaded and installed, and the computer can be restarted. Replacing the thermal paste is another potential solution. This involves switching off the computer, opening the back panel, removing the heatsink, and cleaning it with compressed air. The old thermal paste can then be removed using alcohol and a cotton swab, and replaced with new paste. Finally, cleaning out the vents and fan can help to resolve the issue. This can be done by turning off the computer and blowing compressed air into the intake and exhaust spots, starting with the exhaust and then moving to the intakes. If the computer has a significant amount of dust and debris, it may be necessary to contact a professional for deep cleaning services.